Hi guys, Kenny Martin here and welcome to Talking Pictures. In this series we look at some of my favourite pictures that I've taken over my 40-year career as a portrait photographer, and today we're going to look at this picture here. This was photographed as part of a advanced lighting workshop that I conducted almost 13 years ago now. This is my muse. This is Judy, and I use Judy for lots and lots and lots classes and workshops, and she is absolutely fantastic. She can change a look just like that. So this was done in an old country house hotel, and at the end of the day I said to the guys, let's create something a little bit more fantasy. So what we did was we took her outside, we put her in this fancy dress. We went into the reception in the hotel and basically started to take the furniture away. Much to the consternation, I have to say, the reception staff, but once we explained what we were up to, everything was okay. So we had the ornaments, we had lamps, we had, candle holders, a fancy chair, tables, all sorts of stuff happening in there. And it's been lit by Electron Ranger battery powered lights. So we've got, I can see a cat's light in the eye here. We've got one light, I think, with a snoot coming down in this direction, and then we've got two lights at the back which are hidden, which are at an angle, so that it's rimming round the edge here and rimming round the edge here and round the edge of the subject as well. We've photographed it actually at a wide aperture so that we're knocking the background out of focus, and so we're knocking the foreground out of focus. We've used a low angle to give that depth in the picture, which really adds to it. Again, the styling in this picture is absolutely beautiful. It's incongruous. Why would these things be out in the woods? That's what makes it work as far as I'm concerned. Great model, great expression, nice pose. Lighting is on point. And that is Judy Miles, my crazy model in my advanced lighting workshop. I hope you like the picture. Thanks, guys. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a million. Bye.